everything. We lost everything.
She had a family with 11-year-old son, a husband, a father-in-law that was disabled, a couple of dogs, and she said, and I'm very pregnant too.
Coming from such a big tragic shock, and Cindy, her smile brightened up everything and made us feel pretty comfortable.
The fact that she had a family, that she was like mother henning and getting into a little tiny house, but taking good care of her family, made me think that she was just beautiful inside as well as outside.
A home to me is where your family is. As long as your family is together, that's home. I feel everything's gonna be okay because we're all together.